She is my sister.
Dia adalah adikku.
I can run fast. Aku bisa berlari cepat. I wake up early every day. Aku bangun pagi setiap hari. We go to school on time. Kami pergi ke sekolah tepat waktu. She eats breakfast quickly. Dia sarapan dengan cepat. He drinks water after playing. Dia minum air setelah bermain. She visits often. Dia sering berkunjung. She studies every night. Dia belajar setiap malam. They will come tomorrow. Mereka akan datang besok. I met him yesterday. Aku bertemu dengannya kemarin. We work daily. Kami bekerja setiap hari. He arrived late. Dia datang terlambat. I saw her last week. Aku melihatnya minggu lalu. Close the door. Tutup pintunya. Let's read together. Mari kita membaca bersama. This tastes good. Ini rasanya enak. I love my family. Aku sayang keluargaku. The flower is pretty. Bunganya cantik. Don't touch that. Jangan sentuh itu. I can run fast. Aku bisa lari cepat. Dia memasak makan malam untuk teman-temannya. He paints a picture of the sunset. Dia melukis gambar matahari terbenam. They wait for the bus. Mereka menunggu bus. I clean the house every Sunday. Saya membersihkan rumah setiap hari Minggu. We play music together. Kami memainkan musik bersama. The cat sleeps on the couch. Kucing itu tidur di sofa. The baby sleeps peacefully. Bayi itu tidur dengan tenang. She laughs at his jokes. Dia tertawa pada leluconnya. He drives a car to the store. Dia mengemudi mobil ke toko. They study for the exam. Mereka belajar untuk ujian. I swim in the ocean. Saya berenang di lautan. We dance at the party. Kami menari di pesta. The students listen to the teacher. Para murid mendengarkan guru. Meat cooks more slowly than vegetables. Daging dimasak lebih lambat daripada sayuran. Their daily lives are described in detail. Kehidupan sehari mereka dijelaskan secara rinci. I enjoy playing tennis and basketball. Aku senang bermain tenis dan bola basket. They went to a concert in town. Mereka pergi ke konser di kota. The explanation has finished. Penjelasan itu telah selesai. I hate to ask you for help. Aku benci meminta bantuanmu. We walk to school every day. Kami berjalan ke sekolah setiap hari. The birds chirp in the morning. Burung-burung itu berkicau di pagi hari. He writes poems in his free time. Dia menulis puisi di waktu luangnya. She draws pictures of animals. Dia menggambar gambar binatang. They clean their room every Saturday. Mereka membersihkan kamarnya setiap hari Sabtu. I ride my bike to work. Saya mengendarai sepeda ke tempat kerja. We climb the mountain together. Kami mendaki gunung bersama. I study English in the evening. Saya belajar bahasa Inggris di malam hari. We watch movies together. Kami menonton film bersama. The dog barks loudly. Anjing itu menggonggong dengan keras. She sings beautifully. Dia menyanyi dengan indah. He dances gracefully. Dia menari dengan anggun. They swim in the pool. Mereka berenang di kolam renang. I cook dinner for my family. Saya memasak makan malam untuk keluarga saya. That store sells menswear. Toko itu menjual pakaian pria. She talked to us about her family life. Dia berbicara kepada kami tentang kehidupan keluarganya. I presumed he understood the rules. Aku kira dia mengerti aturannya. She washed her hands with soap. Dia mencuci tangannya dengan sabun. She eats an apple. Dia makan apple. He reads a book. Dia membaca sebuah buku. They play soccer every weekend. Mereka bermain sepak bola setiap akhir pekan. She is looking for a job. Dia sedang mencari pekerjaan. They have planned to go to Bali. Mereka telah merencanakan untuk pergi ke Bali. Why are you nodding if you disagree? Kenapa kamu mengangguk kalau kamu tidak setuju? Shall I order a taxi for you? Haruskah aku memesankan taksi untukmu? I read about it in the paper. Aku membacanya di koran. He soon regretted his hasty decision. Dia segera menyesali keputusannya yang tergesa-gesa. I eat breakfast every morning. Saya makan sarapan setiap pagi. She drinks coffee before work. Dia minum kopi sebelum kerja. They play football every weekend. Mereka bermain sepak bola setiap akhir pekan. He works in a big company. Dia bekerja di perusahaan besar. We study English together. Kami belajar bahasa Inggris bersama. She writes a letter to her friend. Dia menulis surat untuk temannya. I read a book before sleeping. Saya membaca buku sebelum tidur. He drives a car to the office. Dia mengemudi mobil ke kantor. They watch movies at night. Mereka menonton film di malam hari. He cooks dinner for his family. Dia memasak makan malam untuk keluarganya. I love this song so much. Saya sangat menyukai lagu ini. He likes spicy food. Dia suka makanan pedas. We need more time to finish this. Kami butuh lebih banyak waktu untuk menyelesaikan ini. She wants to travel abroad. Dia ingin pergi ke luar negeri. They build a new house. Mereka membangun rumah baru. I buy groceries every week. Saya membeli kebutuhan setiap minggu. He sells his old bike. Dia menjual sepeda lamanya. We discuss the problem together. Kami mendiskusikan masalah bersama. She decides to start a new business. Dia memutuskan untuk memulai bisnis baru. They travel to Bali every year. Mereka bepergian ke Bali setiap tahun. She runs every morning for exercise. Dia berlari setiap pagi untuk olahraga. They eat healthy food for their lunch. Mereka makan makanan sehat untuk makan siang. He writes a new book every year. Dia menulis buku baru setiap tahun. She sings beautifully in the choir. Dia menyanyi dengan indah di paduan suara. They dance together at the party. Mereka menari bersama di pesta. I don't eat. Saya tidak makan. They don't run. Mereka tidak lari. He doesn't jump. Dia tidak loncat. She doesn't study. Dia tidak belajar. We don't work. Kami tidak bekerja. Can you write in cursive? Dapatkah kamu menulis kursif? Who are you talking to? Dengan siapa kamu sedang berbicara? Are you going to dance at the party? Apakah kamu akan menari di pesta? Are you studying for the exam? Apakah kamu sedang belajar untuk ujian? I eat rice every morning. Saya makan nasi setiap pagi. She sleeps for 10 hours every night. Dia tidur selama 10 jam setiap malam. They walk to school together. Mereka jalan ke sekolah bersama-sama. We talk about our day during dinner. Kita berbicara tentang hari kita selama makan malam. He reads a book before going to bed. Dia membaca buku sebelum tidur. She writes in her journal every night. Dia menulis di jurnalnya setiap malam. They listen to music while doing homework. Mereka mendengarkan musik saat mengerjakan PR. I work from Monday to Friday. Saya bekerja dari Senin sampai Jumat. She studies English every evening. Dia belajar bahasa Inggris setiap sore. They play tennis every weekend. Mereka bermain tenis setiap akhir pekan. He added a dash of sugar to his coffee. Dia menambahkan sejumput gula ke dalam kopinya. When will you begin recruiting? Kapan kamu akan mulai merekrut? My father only cares about himself. Ayahku hanya peduli pada dirinya sendiri. I eat breakfast now. Saya makan sarapan sekarang. My mother cooks rice. Ibu, saya masak nasi. The cat is on table. Kucing di atas meja. We watch TV tonight. Kita tonton TV malam ini. Close the window, please. Tutup jendelanya silakan. I sleep at 9. Saya tidur jam 9. This house is clean. Rumah ini bersih. The teacher writes board. Guru menulis di papan. I read my notebook. Saya baca buku catatan saya. We play in yard. Kita main di halaman. Open your math book. Buka buku matematika Anda. The bell rings now. Bell berbunyi sekarang. I like English class. Saya suka kelas bahasa Inggris. Stand up everyone. Semua berdiri. Sit down now. Duduk sekarang. Open your book. Buka buku kamu. Raise your hand. Angkat tangan kamu. Write your name. Tulis nama kamu. Clean your room. Bersihkan kamar kamu. Wash the dishes. Cuci piringnya. Turn off the light. Matikan lampunya. The cafe was closing just as we ordered our last meals. Kafe tutup pas kita pesan makanan terakhir. If you feel sick, stay home instead of going to the office. Kalau sakit, diam di rumah daripada ke kantor. Pharmacies sell medicines quickly during peak hours every day. Apotik jual obat cepat saat jam sibuk tiap hari. She recovered faster because the treatment was started early. Dia sembuh lebih cepat karena pengobatan dimulai awal. Unless the boss approves it, we can't start the meeting yet. Kalau bos belum setuju, rapat belum bisa mulai. Employees complained because the deadline was too tight last week. Karyawan protes karena tenggat terlalu ketat minggu lalu. He was negotiating a deal when his phone rang unexpectedly. Dia negosiasi deal saat HP berdering tiba-tiba. Although I'm tired, I'll join the team dinner after work. Meski capek, saya ikut makan malam tim setelah kerja. Unless you pay cash, they won't give you a discount here. Kalau tak bayar tunai, mereka tak memberikan diskon di sini. Shoppers were crowding the market when the sale started suddenly. Pembeli ramai di pasar saat diskon dimulai mendadak. Fresh fruits are sold cheaply, but vegetables cost more nowadays. Buah segar dijual murah, tapi sayur lebih mahal sekarang. She bought souvenirs even though they were overpriced for tourists. Dia beli souvenir meski navigating through Jakarta while talking on the phone. Sopir menavigasi Jakarta sambil telepon. Tourists often get lost because they don't use Google Maps properly. Wisatawan sering tersesat karena tak pakai Google Maps benar. By the time we arrived, the train had already left the station. Tiba, kereta sudah berangkat. The vendor lowered the price since I bargained for a long time. Pedagang turunkan harga karena saya tawar lama. I need a taxi. Saya butuh taksi. The shop is near. Toko dekat. Buy 2 apples, please. Beli 2 apel, silakan. It rains every day. Hujan setiap hari. Call me at home. Telepon saya di rumah. Goodbye, my good friend. Selamat tinggal teman baik saya. Although the traffic is heavy, I usually take the bus to work. Meski lalu lintas padat, saya biasanya naik bus ke kantor. She keeps forgetting that I'm not a child anymore. Dia terus lupa bahwa aku bukan anak kecil lagi. Hold on tight and don't let go. Pegang erat-erat dan jangan lepaskan. Can I introduce myself? Bolehkah aku memperkenalkan diri? I left because I didn't feel well. Aku pergi karena aku tidak enak badan. She makes all her own dresses. Dia membuat semua gaunnya sendiri. The cafe was closing just as we ordered our last meals. Kafe tutup pas kita pesan makanan terakhir. If you feel sick, stay home instead of going to the office. Kalau sakit, diam di rumah daripada ke kantor. Pharmacies sell medicines quickly during peak hours every day. Apotik jual obat cepat saat jam sibuk tiap hari. She recovered faster because the treatment was started early. Dia sembuh lebih cepat karena pengobatan dimulai awal. They danced together at the party. Mereka menari bersama di pesta. I don't eat. Saya tidak makan. They don't run. Mereka tidak lari. He doesn't jump. Dia tidak loncat. She doesn't study. Dia tidak belajar. We don't work. Kami tidak bekerja. I read a book before sleeping. Saya membaca buku sebelum tidur. He drives a car to the office. Dia mengemudi mobil ke kantor. They watch movies at night. Mereka menonton film di malam hari. He cooks dinner for his family. Dia memasak makan malam untuk keluarganya. I love this song so much. Saya sangat menyukai lagu ini. He likes spicy food. Dia suka makanan pedas. Unless you pay cash, they won't give you a discount here. Kalau tak bayar tunai, mereka tak memberikan diskon di sini. Shoppers were crowding the market when the sale started suddenly. Pembeli ramai di pasar saat diskon dimulai mendadak. Fresh fruits are sold cheaply, but vegetables cost more nowadays. Buah segar dijual murah, tapi sayur lebih mahal sekarang. She bought souvenirs even though they were overpriced for tourists. Dia beli souvenir meski offered buat I work from Monday to Friday. Saya bekerja dari Senin sampai Jumat. She studies English every evening. Dia belajar bahasa Inggris setiap sore. They play tennis every weekend. Mereka bermain tenis setiap akhir pekan. He added a dash of sugar to his coffee. Dia menambahkan sejumput gula ke dalam kopinya. When will you begin recruiting? Kapan kamu akan mulai merekrut? My father only cares about himself. Ayahku hanya peduli pada dirinya sendiri. They walk to school together. Mereka jalan ke sekolah bersama-sama. We talk about our day during dinner. Kita berbicara tentang hari kita selama makan malam. He reads a book before going to bed. Dia membaca buku sebelum tidur. She writes in her journal every night. Dia menulis di jurnalnya setiap malam. They listen to music while doing homework. Mereka mendengarkan musik saat mengerjakan PR. Meat cooks more slowly than vegetables. Daging dimasak lebih lambat daripada sayuran. Their daily lives are described in detail. Kehidupan sehari mereka dijelaskan secara rinci. I enjoy playing tennis and basketball. Aku senang bermain tenis dan bola basket. They went to a concert in town. Mereka pergi ke konser di kota. The explanation has finished. Penjelasan itu telah selesai. I hate to ask you for help. Aku benci meminta bantuanmu. I lost my sock. Aku kehilangan kaus kakiku. The ball is blue. Bolanya berwarna biru. Can we eat now? Bisakah kita makan sekarang? Jump up and down. Melompat-lompatlah. She is my friend. Dia adalah temanku. I hear a car. Aku mendengar suara mobil. My tooth hurts. Let's sing a song. Mari kita bernyanyi. I am hungry. Aku lapar. That's a big tree. Itu pohon yang besar. Wash your hands. Cuci tanganmu. I see a butterfly. Aku melihat kupu-kupu. Time for bed. Waktunya tidur. Give me the crayon. Berikan aku krayon. I love my toys.
Aku suka mainanku.
Can I have juice?
Bolehkah aku minta jus?
The sun is bright.
Matahari sangat terang.
Let's play outside.
Ayo bermain di luar.
My dog is cute. Anjingku lucu. I want to draw.
Aku ingin menggambar.
This is my book.
Ini bukuku.
They left last week. Mereka pergi minggu lalu. I'm leaving now. Aku pergi sekarang. She called this morning. Dia menelepon pagi ini. We eat every day. Kami makan setiap hari. He jogs in the evening. Dia jogging di malam hari. I saw him recently. Aku melihatnya baru-baru ini. They will return tomorrow. Mereka akan kembali besok. I'll call later. Aku akan menelepon nanti. She left early. Dia pergi lebih awal. They came yesterday. Mereka datang kemarin. We meet daily. Kami bertemu setiap hari. He arrived late. Dia datang terlambat. I work today. Aku bekerja hari ini. She will come soon. Dia akan segera datang. Are you leaving now? Apakah kamu akan pergi sekarang? Do you often go out on weekends? Apakah kamu sering keluar rumah di akhir pekan? Did he return home late? Apakah dia pulang larut malam? Will she join us soon? Akankah dia segera bergabung dengan kita? Have you finished your work today? Apakah kamu sudah menyelesaikan pekerjaanmu hari ini? Do they call you every day? Apakah mereka meneleponmu setiap hari? Are you going to the store now? Apakah kamu akan pergi ke toko sekarang? When will you visit us again? Kapan kamu akan mengunjungi kami lagi? Have they arrived yet? Apakah mereka sudah tiba? Will you come tomorrow? Apakah kamu akan datang besok? Do you always eat breakfast? Apakah kamu selalu sarapan? When did you leave yesterday? Kapan kamu berangkat kemarin? Does she usually walk to school? Apakah dia biasanya berjalan kaki ke sekolah? Did they come early? Apakah mereka datang lebih awal? He won't come tomorrow.
Dia tidak akan datang besok.
They didn't return last week.
Mereka tidak kembali minggu lalu.
She hasn't called today.
Dia belum menelpon hari ini.
I don't visit them often.
Saya tidak sering mengunjungi mereka.
We haven't gone out recently.
Kami belum keluar rumah akhir-akhir ini.
He won't leave soon.
Dia tidak akan pergi dalam waktu dekat.
Did you call him yesterday?
Apakah kamu menelponnya kemarin?
He hasn't yet finished the report.
Dia belum menyelesaikan laporannya.
We don't usually go out on Mondays.
Kami biasanya tidak keluar rumah pada hari Senin.
I didn't see him yesterday.
Aku tidak melihatnya kemarin.
They haven't come yet.
Mereka belum datang.
I don't often watch TV.
Aku jarang menonton TV.
She never forgets birthdays.
Dia tidak pernah lupa ulang tahun.
We didn't arrive early.
Kami tidak datang lebih awal.
He frequently visits his grandma.
Dia sering mengunjungi neneknya.
We sometimes play chess after lunch.
Kami terkadang bermain catur setelah makan siang.
She already finished her homework.
Dia sudah menyelesaikan pekerjaan rumahnya.
He recently moved to the city.
Dia baru saja pindah ke kota.
I will see you tomorrow.
Sampai jumpa besok.
They arrived yesterday.
Mereka tiba kemarin.
She goes jogging every morning.
Dia jogging setiap pagi.
She will join us later. Dia akan bergabung dengan kita nanti. We often go hiking on Sundays. Kami sering mendaki gunung pada hari Minggu. He returned home late. Dia pulang larut malam. She always helps her friends. Dia selalu membantu teman-temannya. They usually eat dinner at 7. Mereka biasanya makan jam 7 malam. I often read books at night. Saya sering membaca buku di malam hari. We cleaned the house today. Kami membersihkan rumah hari ini. I finished my work earlier. Saya menyelesaikan pekerjaan saya lebih awal. She will visit next month. Dia akan berkunjung bulan depan. We are leaving now. Kami berangkat sekarang. They moved here recently. Mereka baru saja pindah ke sini. I saw him 2 days ago. Saya melihatnya 2 hari yang lalu. I will call you tomorrow. Aku akan meneleponmu besok. She arrived yesterday. Dia tiba kemarin. We study every day. Kami belajar setiap hari. They met me last week. Mereka bertemu denganku minggu lalu. I will see you soon. Sampai jumpa lagi. He goes jogging in the morning. Dia pergi jogging di pagi hari. This is my pencil.
Ini pensilku.
I love my family. Aku sayang keluargaku. Can you help me? Bisakah kamu membantuku? We are playing outside. Kami sedang bermain di luar. I like ice cream. Aku suka es krim. He is very kind. Dia sangat baik. Let's go to school.
Ayo kita pergi ke sekolah.
I am feeling happy. Aku merasa bahagia. She is my friend. Dia adalah temanku. What is your name? Siapa namamu? I am hungry. Aku lapar. Let's read together. Ayo kita membaca bersama. Good morning.
Selamat pagi.
How are you?
Apa kabar?
Thank you very much. Terima kasih banyak. Please help me. Tolong bantu saya. I like this book. Saya suka buku ini. Can I play with you? Bolehkah saya bermain denganmu? Let's make a card.
Mari kita buat kartu.
My hair is messy. Rambutku berantakan. The pillow is soft. Bantal nyempuk. I hear music. Aku mendengar musik. I finished my food. Aku sudah selesai makan. The grass is green. Rumputnya hijau. Who took my crayon? Siapa yang mengambil krayonku? My nose itches.
Hidungku gatal.
I dropped my spoon. Aku menjatuhkan sendokku. The fish swims fast. Ikan itu berenang cepat. The fan is spinning. Kipas angin berputar. I love my grandma. Aku sayang nenekku. I tied my shoes. Aku mengikat tali sepatuku. The clock ticks. Jam Bertatik. Pick up the toy.
Ambil mainannya.
The dog barks loud. Anjing itu menggonggong keras. I need a napkin. Aku butuh serbet. Let's share this. Mari kita berbagi ini. The light is on. Lampunya menyala. I have a new book. Aku punya buku baru. Can we go now? Bisakah kita pergi sekarang? I love cartoons.
Aku suka kartun.
Open the window. Buka jendela. My shoes are wet. Sepatuku basah. I brushed my teeth. Aku sudah menyikat gigi. That's my toy. It's a mainanku. The phone is ringing. Telepon berdering. I feel happy. Aku merasa bahagia. Who is there?
Siapa di sana?
I like ice cream. Aku suka es krim. Let's clean up. Ayo kita bersih-bersih. My shirt is dirty. Bayuku kotor. I found a rock. Aku menemukan batu. Can I go play? Bolehkah aku pergi bermain? The baby is crying. Bayi itu menangis. I eat breakfast every morning.
Saya makan sarapan setiap pagi.
She drinks coffee before work.
Dia minum kopi sebelum kerja.
They play football every weekend.
Mereka bermain sepak bola setiap akhir pekan.
He works in a big company.
Dia bekerja di perusahaan besar.
We study English together.
Kami belajar bahasa Inggris bersama.
She writes a letter to her friend.
Dia menulis surat untuk temannya.
Who is crying, Dewey or Susie?
Siapakah yang sedang menangis, Dewi atau Susi?
Which do you want, the pen or the pencil?
Mana yang Anda inginkan, pena itu atau pensil itu?
You or Joni is wrong.
Anda atau Joni yang salah.
He can't speak or hear.
Dia tidak dapat bercakap atau mendengar.
Is this for you or for me?
Ini untuk saudara atau untuk saya?
I shall stay for a day or two.
Saya akan tinggal untuk 1 atau 2 hari.
I study in the afternoon.
Saya belajar di sore hari.
Is that Dewey or Susie?
Apakah itu Dewi atau Susi?
It is Dewey.
Itu adalah Dewi.
Is that my bag or your bag?
Apakah itu tasku atau tasmu?
Is that a white or a red rose?
Apakah itu sekuntum bunga mawar berwarna putih atau berwarna merah?
It's a red rose.
Itu adalah sekuntum bunga mawar berwarna merah.
Are these letters or numbers?
Apakah ini huruf atau angka?
This new computer processes data quickly.
Komputer baru ini memproses data dengan cepat.
That swimmer swims very fast.
Atlet renang itu berenang dengan sangat cepat.
This chocolate cake tastes very sweet.
Kue coklat ini rasanya sangat manis.
The little girl has a sweet smile.
Gadis kecil itu memiliki senyum manis.
This mango is very sweet.
Buah mangga ini manis sekali rasanya.
Aldo is hiding behind the big tree.
Aldo sedang bersembunyi di belakang pohon besar.
My sister loves to cover her favorite songs.
Kakakku suka mengcover lagu-lagu kesukaannya.
I can't lift that box that is very heavy.
Aku tidak bisa mengangkat kotak itu sangat berat.
Vina is very popular in her school. She is smart and kind.
Vina sangat populer di sekolahnya, dia pandai dan ramah.
My little sister doesn't like seblak because it's spicy.
Adikku tidak suka seblak karena pedas.
The sky is very pretty.
Langitnya sangat indah.
I like chicken soup. It's so tasty.
Aku suka sup ayam itu sangat lezat.
I like your painting because it's colorful.
Aku suka lukisanmu karena itu penuh warna.
I think I won't go to anywhere.
Aku pikir aku tidak akan pergi kemanapun.
It's so hot outside.
Di luar sangat panas.
My sister has curly hair.
Kakakku rambutnya keriting.
He called me this morning.
Dia menelepon saya pagi ini.
We play soccer every Sunday.
Kami bermain sepak bola setiap hari Minggu.
She visited me yesterday.
Dia mengunjungi saya kemarin.
We will meet tomorrow.
Kami akan bertemu besok.
I am working today.
Saya bekerja hari ini.
They arrived yesterday.
Mereka tiba kemarin.
They will leave soon.
Mereka akan segera pergi.
She goes to bed early.
Dia tidur lebih awal.
I eat breakfast every morning.
Saya sarapan setiap pagi.
We travel once a year.
Kami bepergian setahun sekali.
She came home yesterday.
Dia pulang kemarin.
They visit us often.
Mereka sering mengunjungi kami.
Where is my pencil?
Di mana pensilku?
It's very cold.
Ini sangat dingin.
I need a hug.
Aku butuh pelukan.
Let's count numbers.
Mari kita hitung angkanya.
The sky is blue.
Ayo kita hitung angka.
I want more milk.
Saya ingin susu lagi.
The cake is yummy.
Kue ini enak sekali.